Every few years, the tech industry discovers a new messiah, and right now, that messiah wears a hoodie, speaks in tokens, and promises to replace your entire engineering team for $12 a month. We are living in peak AI fever, and everyone, absolutely everyone, has lost the plot. It started innocently enough. A few impressive demos, some jaw-dropping benchmarks, and suddenly every startup deck had the words AI-powered. Product managers became prompt engineers overnight. CEOs were confidently declaring that developers would be obsolete by Tuesday. And look, the tools are genuinely impressive. Nobody is saying otherwise. But there is a massive, uncomfortable gap between what gets demoed on stage and what actually ships in production. A chatbot that hallucinates your database schema is not a feature. It's a liability wearing a lab coat and pretending to be a doctor. Most of the AI hype is not about solving real problems. It's about raising the next round. So companies started shipping half-baked AI wrappers on top of already broken infrastructure. But here's the thing about hype cycles. They end. They always end. The dot-com boom ended. The blockchain revolution ended. The metaverse ended so fast, it did not even get a proper funeral. And when the dust settles, what survives is not the flashiest experiment. It's the thing that was built properly in the first place. When the AI bubble deflates, and it will deflate, not completely, but enough, companies are going to be left holding enormous technical debt dressed up in machine learning clothing. Someone is going to have to untangle that mess. And that someone is not going to be a prompt. That someone is going to be an engineer who understands systems. The engineers who kept learning, who understood distributed systems, who could read a flame graph, who knew why eventual consistency matters and when it bites you. Those engineers are going to be extraordinarily valuable. Not because they resisted AI tools, but because they understood what those tools could and could not do. The fundamentals are not going anywhere. Latency still matters. Security still matters. Scalability still matters. Data integrity still matters. A model that confidently returns the wrong answer faster than ever is not progress. It's just a more expensive way to be wrong with excellent grammar and a polite tone. So while everyone else is chasing the next announcement, the next benchmark, the next model that is allegedly 10 times smarter than the last one, the engineers who are quietly building things that actually work, that scale, that do not fall apart under real load, those are the people who are going to still be here when the curtain drops. The hype will pass. The fundamentals will remain. And the engineers who never stopped caring about the craft, who never let a trending buzzword replace actual understanding, those engineers will be just fine. Build well. The rest is noise.